When we format cells in Excel, we change the appearance of a number without changing the number itself. Number 1. Cell formatting. Enter the value 0.8 into cell B2. By default, Excel uses the general format, no specific number format, for numbers. To apply a number format, use the Format Cells dialog box. Select cell B2. Right-click and then click Format Cells or press Ctrl+1. The Format Cells dialog box appears. For example, select currency. Note: Excel gives you a live preview of how the number will be formatted under sample. Click OK. Cell B2 still contains the number 0.8. We only changed the appearance of this number. The most frequently used formatting commands are available on the Home tab. On the Home tab, in the number group, click the percentage symbol to apply a percentage format. In the alignment group, center the number. In the font group, add outside borders and change the font color to blue. In this way, you format any cell. Number 2. Time and date formatting. Dates and times in Excel can be displayed in a variety of ways. To apply a date or time format, execute the following steps. Select cell A1. Right-click and then click Format Cells. In the category list, select Date and select a date format. Click on OK button. Select cell B1. Right-click and then click Format Cells. In the category list, select Time and select a timer format. Click on OK button. Dates are stored as numbers in Excel and count the number of days since January 0th, 1900. Times are handled internally as numbers between 0 and 1. To clearly see this, change the number format of cell A1, B1 and C1 to general. Note: apparently, 42,544 days after January 0th, 1900 is the same as June 23, 2016. 6 o'clock is represented as 0.25, quarter through the day. In this way, we can change the format of date and time. Number 3. Fraction formatting. This example teaches you how to enter a fraction in Excel and how change the format of a fraction. To enter the mixed fraction 1 and 4/7, 1 and 4/7, type 1 and 4/7. To enter the fraction 4/7 into cell A1, select cell A1 and type 0.4/7 with a 0 or Excel thinks you want to enter a date. Excel rounds your fraction if it cannot display the right fraction. For example, if you type 4/11 into cell A1, with the up to 1-digit type applied, Excel displays 1/3. The formula bar always shows the correct decimal value. Note: to enter a fraction like 4/11 into cell A1, change the type to up to 2 digits. To enter a fraction like 1/148 into cell A1, it will show 0. To show the correct fraction, change the type from up to 2 digits to up to 3 digits. If you type 0.4/11 into a new cell, Excel automatically applies the up to 2 digits type and correctly displays 4/11. Excel always reduces a fraction to its smallest denominator. Sometimes, you cannot find the right denominator for your fraction. For example, you want to display 40/50ths, but Excel converts 40/50ths to 4/5. However, the as 50ths, 25/50ths type is not available. To fix this problem, right-click on a cell. Then click on Format Cell. Click on Custom. And then click on Type. And enter the above value. Number 4. Decimal formatting. Learn how to show fewer decimal places in Excel without changing the number itself. You can also round a number. Enter the value 2.175 into cell A1. 3 decimal places in Excel. On the Home tab, in the number group, click the Decrease Decimal button twice. Decrease decimal. 1 decimal place. Note: if you look at the formula bar, you can see that cell A1 still contains the value 2.175. We can still use this underlying precise value in calculations.